still don't know their alphabet. Do you think you can help me teach them? Come on, I'll show you. Do you know your alphabet? Yes, I know my alphabet.
It's time for some fun with Fundations. Let's begin by tapping this word. Now notice, it does have a suffix S, so we need to cover our suffix and tap the base word. Here we go. S-a-k, sock. With the suffix S, it becomes socks. We know that we can add a suffix to the end of a noun, and remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, animal, or sometimes an idea, and it makes it more than one. And we call those special nouns plural nouns. We don't just have one sock, we have 6 socks, more than one. Now let's try tapping this word. Again, it has a suffix. Let's cover it up and tap the base word. K, kick is the word. With the suffix, the word is kicks. Wait a minute. Is kick a noun? No. Kick is a verb. It's an action word. So with the suffix S, it's not a plural noun. It's actually a present tense verb. And that means that the action is taking place right now. Take a look at the little boy in the video. He kicks the ball. Well, at least he tries to kick the ball. Let's try another. Again, cover that suffix. Let's tap the base word. D-a-k, duck. With the suffix, it's ducks. Let's take a further look at this word. Can a duck be a noun? Yes, because it can be an animal. So if we add our suffix S, it's more than one ducks. Look at all of those ducks in the picture. But duck could also be a verb word. So if we add our suffix S to the verb, it becomes a present tense verb. Take a look at Beaker in this video. He ducks down into his shirt. So this special word could be both a plural noun and a present tense verb. It just depends how it is being used in a story or a sentence. We're going to read some more words with suffix S, and I want you to decide if you think it's a plural noun, present tense verb, or could it be both? Let's read this word. Cover our suffix S. Let's tap the base word. T-e-l, tell. With our suffix S, the word is tells. What do you think? Is tells a plural noun? Is it a present tense verb? Or could it be both? If you said a present tense verb, you are correct. Take a look at Boss Baby. He tells a secret over the phone. Try this next word. Cover your suffix. Tap the base word. P-I-N, pin. With our suffix, the word is pins. What do you think? Is it a plural noun, present tense verb, or could it be both? If you said both, you are correct. It could be a plural noun, like several Christmas pins. Or it could be the pins that you try to knock down if you like to go bowling. But it could also be a present tense verb. Check out this dog. The dog pins his clothes up to dry. I think he's a little embarrassed that you saw his undergarments. Here's your next one. Cover up your suffix S. Let's tap the base word. R-U-G, rug. With our suffix, the word is rugs. What do you think? Plural noun, present tense verb, or could it be both? You guessed it, it's a plural noun. Look at all of the rugs in the picture. Let's do one more. Cover up your suffix S. Tap the base word. P, t, pet. With our suffix, the word is pets. What do you think? Could pets be a plural noun, a present tense verb, or both? Yes, it could be both. It could be a plural noun. Check out all of those pets in the picture. Or it could be a present tense verb, like Charlie Brown pets his dog Snoopy. Let's review. A suffix S could be added to the end of a noun to make it more than one, and we call those plural nouns. But a suffix S could also be used at the end of a verb to make it a present tense verb, which means the action is happening now. Or some words could be both. This is a Venn diagram. On this side, we're going to put the words that are plural nouns. On this side, we will write the words that are present tense verbs. And then if they could be both, we'll put them in the middle. You can grab a piece of paper and try this on your own, and then hit play to check your work. The first word is socks. Socks is a plural noun. Next is ducks. Remember, ducks could be both. Pins could also be both. Kicks is a present tense verb. The word bells is a plural noun. Rugs is also a plural noun. Pets could be both. Tells is a present tense verb. Locks could actually be both. Like my husband locks the door, or we have many locks. Shuts would be a present tense verb. Great job! It's time to review our trick words. What is this word? H-E-R-E. You guessed it, it's here. Like, look, I'm over here. If we add a T, now what is the word? T-H-E-R-E. Notice the word here? Yeah, it's there. There's here in there. Are you still there? Now what if we take the T away and add a W instead? W-H-E-R-E. Yeah, the word is where. Like, where are you? I'm over here. Here is also in the word where. And notice, it's a question word, so it does start with a W-H. See if you can unscramble this trick word. You've got 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. All right, time's up. This is the trick word. W-H-E-R-E. Where? Unscramble this trick word. Ready, set, go. All right, time's up. You guessed it. It's the trick word H-E-R-E. Here. Last one. Go ahead and unscramble. All right, time's up. This is the trick word, T-H-E-R-E, there. That's all for today, boys and girls. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and Santa brings you lots of gifts. Ooh, a plural noun.